Hello everyone. This program. What's brought to you is GF45-100. The camera I use is from Fuji. GFX502. This is his first zoom lens. That's not much nonsense. Let's open the box first. Don't read the manual series. This is lens protection. Take a look. This feels very good, very good. But I usually hang up, so I can't use it. And then you get dandruff. Okay, there's a kind of protection on it. Good start. Here are 45 to 100 or big 20 imports for the theme. This is the high school protective cotton at the bottom, and this is the lens. Well, another one is the lens shading. That's all in the package. All right.